Lakini Njora alituambia kuna wazazi day school, wazazi wanalipa 500. Lakini hapa day school tunaambiwa ndio uenroll mtoto shule, the little ile kiwango ya chini ni 30,000. Because one, pesa ya chakula ni 10,500, uniform 12,000. All the requirements, unashindwa 2 rims, paper rim, ni nini ya kuweza kuisha. So there's a lot of all these requirements. Yet we know the government has a responsibility to ensure there's infrastructures, we have enough teachers, we have enough textbooks, and even the desks. So that because basically even the CDF fund is meant for education and security. But because education is the key to success, why can't we make it a priority? There has been a proposal that out of that CDF, which again is illegal, we can be able to cut 30 million from each, the money that is being distributed across the constituency, so that we pump this money into education to ensure that education is free from primary to secondary and even possible to university level. So these are some of the things that we're demanding, but also calling on the government to be able to come to listen to the plight of these kids, so that we do not reduce education to be a favor or a charitable exercise, or even a right that is only privileged to those people who are rich or wealthy within the community.